Whoa, it's like pause here real quick. I have 10x the ability to earn on Amazon KDP. I'm gonna show you everything in this video. I'm also gonna give away an amazing niche that very few people actually know about. You're gonna love it. Make sure to like and subscribe wherever you're watching this. Watch this video until the very end. If you have any questions, comment down below. Okay, before I begin, make sure if you want access to the Nurie Creator software, you hop on in, check out the page below in the comment section, and make sure you get access to Nurie Creator. Okay, so check this out. If I go to Amazon.com and I put in the word Mullet coloring book, you might think right off the bat, that's a ridiculous niche to get into. But check it out. It only has 54 results, and look at these numbers. This person published, right now it's February 5th, this person published about a month ago, and they're already making sales. Look at the BSR, they have a BSR. If I scroll just a little bit under that, the first organic, because this top one here is a sponsored, the first organic search term, the person has over 199,000 BSR. They have over 350 reviews. This niche is booming. Look at that. This person too, right below the last one, again, 54 reviews, as they have over 645,000 for BSR. This person has a mullet for animals. Okay, look at this. Animal mullets again. You can get into that niche if you want. Here we have this newcomer. Again, they're making sales on the regular. Check this out. We have the Mullet coloring book. This person is also making sales, not that much. I would change the book cover for this, but check it out. 3 million. Okay, everyone's making sales. Look at this one too. This person I wouldn't do because this person looks like Nicolas Cage. You don't want to do any copyright or trademark. Really important. But again, they have over 500 for a BSR and a review count of over 10. Of 10. Okay, really good stuff. Baby mullets. This person has. This might be an interesting niche to get into. Baby mullets. They have 14 reviews already, and they published. Man, not too long. Oh, sorry. They published last year. Exactly last year. Okay, so this might be a good niche to get into. Again, this is sponsored, as you can see. Okay, but creating this is very simple. With Nurie Creator, you can just put in your niche keyword. For this example, I have man with mullet. You just type it in here. Okay, type it in here. And then the Nurie Creator will actually create these coloring image in the background, and we will send you an email automatically once your coloring book pages are complete. Okay, as you can see here, we have men with mullets. Okay, I could have easily put animals with mullets or babies with mullets. So these four aren't that good. It's too dark, but if I scroll down, you'll see some better examples. This is a great one right here. Let's blow that up. Perfect. Let's scroll down some more. We have this one's a good one we can use. Look at that, really good. Again, to get into this niche, let's go to one of the other images. I made over 50. I added over 50 prompts. If you want, you can just use one prompt, and it's going to create a multitude of different coloring book pages. Really good stuff. This is a perfect one for a coloring book. Actually, let's add these. I'm going to add this one here. Add this one here, add this one here, add this one here. Let's go to the next one here. Let's add this guy, this one, and this one. Okay, good stuff. And let's see. No, I don't want those. Let's go to the next section of images. Okay, remember the minimum count for a coloring book is 24 pages. Keep this one here. And then once we're done, you can format everything within Nurie Creator. That's the amazing thing. Just go to Speedy Book Export, and it's going to take us to the Speedy Book Export dashboard like this. Now what I want to do is change the size to 8.5 by 8.5. So I'm going to go to the trim section and change this to 8.5 by 8.5. Okay, you can do 8.5 by 11. That's perfectly fine. That's, a lot of books are in that trim size. But for this example, I'm going to use 8.5 by 8.5. Really good stuff. Okay, I also want to automatically add a title page and test color page. So I'm going to enable this right here. And I'm going to add my title page and test color page. Really important stuff that you want if you're creating a coloring book. Your book title, let me put Crazy Mullets, just for example's sake. Crazy Mullets. Okay, author name, Mullet. No, let's put Tim Mullen. Okay, cool. As you can see, the text is even colorable. That's really important, right? This adds extra value to your coloring book because your text is colorable. Really cool stuff. If you want, you can number the pages, but I want to add colorable text here. So I'm going to name each one of these mullet guys. Let's call the first guy Zeb Gary Smith. Okay, check this out. Let's see. Look what happens. It's gonna put Zeb Gary Smith right under his name. If I want to enlarge that, I can definitely do that right here, all automatically. Okay, so where is the font enlargement? I can take the font size, bring it up to 39. Okay, and this is gonna enlarge right here. See, Zeb Gary Smith. If I want to, I can put John Von James, like that. Name them all. Theo Henry, check it out, like that. So again, this adds value to your coloring book, right? Again, if I want to number it, I just go right here and click show page numbers, okay? It's that simple. Once I'm done, I click generate PDF, okay? And it's gonna generate PDF for me really quickly. And then I can host it on Amazon KDP. Check this out, Crazy Mullets by Tim Mullen. Okay, again, I have automatically displayed my copyright with my author name. Okay, a test color page, Zeb Gary Smith, Theo Henry, John Von James, and I just continue doing that, okay? Really cool stuff, really easy. If you want in, just make sure you check out the page below right here to Nurie Creator. And as you can see, dozens of testimonials from actual users of the software that actually earn online on sites like Amazon, KDP, and Etsy. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. Be good.